CUK ASUS ROG Strix SCAR2 GL704GW Gaming Laptop. Review deal discount unboxing setup. Love how thin it is, display and performance have been great overall. Windows 10 still sucks though, but overall it's good and Windows isn't the fault of the computer. The reason for my 4-star review is that I had to replace my $200 mic with a cheapo USB mic because the computer only has a mic input, and not a mic input and headphone output. I also dislike the quantity of USB ports offered. 4 is a bit small. I had to purchase 2 USB hubs to add 8 ports. Due to the thin size it does get a little hot, so a cooling pad I got takes up one USB 3 port. The pad itself has an additional USB port which I have a little USB desk fan plugged into. I have 2 USB monitors which occupies 2 slots. I have a mouse, a USB wired controller, an LED mousepad, an external ergo keyboard for my left hand, Razer Tartarus, etc. etc. So given that this is a gaming laptop, it's only logical to have additional ports. With that said, I expected given the form factor that I'd be suffering a lack of ports. Neither of these issues kill the positive experience I've had with the laptop, but they do leave me bummed enough to drop a star off, given the fact that I can't use my very nice headset that I paid a lot of money for. So, this review is written in light that this is a CUK upgrade of a ASUS ROG laptop. This is exactly what I wanted at the price I envisioned for a gaming laptop. I felt the base model lacked additional HDD storage and could use additional DDR memory. This CUK model has exactly that, a 1TB 5400 revolutions per minute HDD for additional storage and 32GB of RAM. I appreciate that CUK was able to offer the specifications I desired at a price point that was reasonable. I would definitely recommend their products. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.